Factory. Yo, today we are on duck flower. See it here? We cut one bamboo, make one hook stick, for you want them to go way up in our ear. You understand? Come in. You know, see, as a country boy, you have to have your thing in your waist. And it do your work. You see me? Bamboo well neat up. See it here? Right. We bingo. So I will be giving you fun facts. I will be giving you all the disadvantages and advantages and the health benefits of duck flower today. I will be telling you how this plant become a reset to humans. Yes, meaning like this really can reset your stomach, reset your hydrochloric acid, reset your blood as a blood purifier, reset your two filtering system, which is your kidney and your liver. Stay tuned for more duck flower. Now give you even the taxonomy, meaning the botanical name, you know, everything about it, family that it is from, showing you that it is a vine. Stay tuned.